Well, good morning. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and today is Monday, May 13th, 2024. I hope everybody enjoyed their Mother's Day. Ladies, I hope you had a wonderful day and were blessed with a lot of good family time. So, yay. I called, talked to my aunt, and had a pretty good conversation with her. That's a good thing. Family. Most cases. Anyway, uh, yeah. What's the difference between an in law and an outlaw? The outlaw is at least wanted. Yeah. Sometimes there's even a reward for them. Anyway, I hope everybody had a good weekend and are off to a good start for your work week. There you go. Want to know how to make a Friday night miserable? Turn it into Monday morning. What's worse, you do that, and then you get to face, oh yeah, Monday morning, as everybody else is used to it on Monday morning. Even though technically it's your Wednesday, yeah, afternoon. Just saying. Time, such a fun thing. Anyway, was talking with my aunt and found out my nephew's not going to be able to get up here, and so the things I was going to get out of the way by giving to him are either going to have to sit here and wait longer. So instead of being out the door the end of this month, they're going to be here until Thanksgiving, and I'm not sure I want to wait that long. So I'm trying to burn some brain cells as to my decision on all that. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and sell it, get rid of it, and, well, it is what it is. And if there's some left, I'll toss it to him if he gets here on Thanksgiving for it. I'm not sure. Like I say, there's a lot of stuff I want to get out of here. And the more I look at it and realize I've got to get it out of here, it's a lot of stuff's got to go. This stuff's got to go right now. So, yeah. Kind of sad that it's not going to be able to go to him. But, it is what it is. So, I'm going to probably try to get some things situated so that I can tote a few things out to a couple of gun shops and put a couple of things under consignment. And I might do that part on Wednesday, but for sure not going to be able to do all of it on Wednesday because I've got a doctor's appointment in the afternoon and a dentist appointment about these teeth. Yeah, supposed to get some at least final fitting or next to the final fitting or something like that. Yay. So I get to go see those on Wednesday morning and then go to the doctor's office on Wednesday afternoon, and I might try to do a little bit of other stuff. I'm not sure. Might try to talk to the ham club. My radio club has a lunch, so I might try to go get dental stuff done and then go talk with the people at the ham radio at the lunch, and then try to go from there to the doctor's office about getting some x-rays on my neck and lower back, have them look at those because they're hurting, and I'm wanting to find out if there's anything they can do about it. Don't like the idea, but yeah. choices. Anyway, uh, try to get some of that took care of, and then Thursday, try to go move the guns around and see where all I can get some things consigned. Uh, yeah. And try to decide for sure what is staying and what isn't staying. I really don't know for sure. Choices. Anyway, it's going to be a fairly busy weekend for me, my weekend. I hope it's a pretty productive week for y'all. I'm halfway through my week and I'm ready for it to be over already. It is what it is. Oy. Didn't get that very leveled today, and so it's falling over on me. Yeah. Tired of it anyway. I am so wanting to get out of here. I saw a video from somebody that today was their moving day, and they're on the way to the Philippines. Yay. A year and something ahead of me. I definitely want to get around to that day for me. The sooner the better, but, well, it'll work out. I'm going to get there eventually. Can't just shoot myself in the foot for stupid. I've done enough stupid on Stupid Street. I don't need to help myself in that department. There's enough things already that want to mess with my day. So, yeah. Anyway, it could be worse. Oh yeah. Hoping things work out for my aunt. She's got her ear infection, and they're trying to get over and decide what to do, and talking some sort of surgery up in there to remove some calcium buildup or something. I don't know for sure. Found that out today, and I'm like, ooh. And she's coming up on her, 81st or 82nd birthday. Maybe it's her 80th. God, keeping track of how old. Yeah, I think it's her 81st birthday. I'm not positive here. Keeping track of other people's birthdays is not my strong suit. I barely keep track of mine because, I've had to deal with it for my entire life. And about the only thing I usually do that's even anything near special for it is go out and have a good steak dinner. And that's because we got a place here called the Big Texan that does, free steak dinner for your birthday. So I go out and try to do that on a yearly basis. And yeah, this is the first time I had, the girls took and had me a birthday party this year. Kind of surprised. Haven't done a lot of birthday parties for me. I don't usually worry about it, other than try to eat a good meal. And yeah. But this year, the folks around me decided to, try to throw me a birthday party. I'm thankful for that. But yeah, she's coming up on 81, or no? Okay, I just turned 61, and so it's 20, 81. I think it's 82. Trying to keep track of other people's birthdays again. But yeah, and yeah, would you put Mom at 83? Yeah, that's right. Anyway, I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day and everything. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. Good day, sir. Safe travels and blessings. Yeah, one of my guests just went through. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, had a wonderful Monday, or Mother's Day, and that your Monday and your work week is a good one for you. I'm going to try to get this out and going. I got a couple other things I was trying to do some research on, and yeah, vaccines. Yeah. There's apparently measles or something is being run out as get this now for if you're going out to the Philippines or something like that. I forget which one it was. I've looked at so many, but yeah. And I got on the website, and I was going to try to get on the website on my boss's computer and print it. Shh, you didn't hear that, son. Yeah. My boss didn't hear that. But I'm going to try to print it out so I have the information I need for which actual vaccines I need to get. Because, yeah. And I want to try to get that done over the next, say, 3 to 5 months. And I might as well start now. Like I said, I was doing the one, and I'm supposed to go and get the last shot on it on the 26th of June. And apparently I'm going to have to pay for that one out of pocket because I started it when I had insurance and then lost the insurance with that place. And my insurance and my doctor doesn't do it. I have to go through the pharmacy to get all those vaccines. And the vaccine they use for that shot is a 2-shot instead of a 3-shot. So either I go get the final shot from the other place, or I end up getting 2 new shots from somewhere else. Yeah. Doctor's regs and such. Saw a video of a lady that was talking about, how much it's costing for their insurance, and saying that for them to be able to use their insurance, they got to come up with $20,000 out of pocket, which is ridiculous. I mean, seriously. And that's before the insurance kicks in and starts doing anything. How insurance companies can get away with that, I don't know. But she was talking about having to get any benefit out of it. She either has to divorce her husband, become a divorced single mom, and then qualifies for the same insurance that all the illegal aliens are getting brought in and given. That way she can actually use her insurance. Or she needs to take and cough up $20,000, which who has $20,000 laying around to use on insurance? That, or she needs to take and they need to go ahead and move to Europe, and like Germany or Swiss or France or something. I forget what she said, but move to Europe and get good insurance over there that actually is usable. Yeah, all the insanity's there. Anyway, I need to get away from that. That just brings up the blood pressure. And, well, I don't need any extra stress. I got enough without it. Again, I'm Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all had a wonderful Mother's Day, ladies. And as for the rest of us, it's Monday morning. Let's have a good week. And may it be a blessed week for you. Bring lots of good things to you. I'm William. And yeah, later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is, hey, I'm out.